courseware product, I decided to use Adobe Captivate, and with this program, users have the ability to create interactive presentations and projects. For my product, I decided to create a quick lesson on translating English phrases and sentences to mathematical expressions and equations. By using Adobe Captivate, it let me create an activity where students could brush up on their previous knowledge as well as practice the new knowledge. For my first activity, I used a drag and drop feature where students have to drag and drop the item into the correct category. And for each of these drag and drop activities, students have the ability to undo the last item that they sorted or reset all of the items so they could start over again. Once they finish sorting or placing the item in the correct spot, they will hit submit and they will get notified if they are correct or not. Students already have prior knowledge of these word associations, so this activity was to activate their prior knowledge they needed for the lesson today. Here I inserted a notes slide to give students the basic steps on how to form an expression or equation from words. On this next slide, I had students just identifying the key words of the statement with another drag and drop activity. This will help them in deciphering which words they would need to translate into expressions or equations and which are just filler words. After students are able to identify the key words, I inserted a multiple choice question where students had to select the correct answer, which corresponds to the given statement. Once they select the answer, they will be notified if they are correct or not after they hit submit. For the final question, students have to place the equation parts into the correct spot to form the equation. Students have to use the knowledge from the previous slides in order to form the equation correctly. Once they hit submit over here, then they will be told if they are correct or not. Once I completed this lesson, I was able to export it and upload it to my course sites where students would access it from. And then once students complete it, I will be notified that they completed the lesson that I've uploaded for them.